Hello, everybody. Welcome back to Off Grid Style. We are going to be discussing the security news of the week. So, this is the security news that has happened in the last few days. And there's some interesting stuff going on in our world. This came from Wired. The link to the article is in the description if you'd like to hear more about it, read more about it, look at it on your own, because I'm just giving you a synopsis of each of these stories. Secret gunshot detection sensors have been placed in U.S. communities. Woohoo! Wired obtained a leaked document revealing the deployment of gunshot detection sensors across the U.S. and its territories. These sensors, utilized by numerous police departments, are predominantly situated in low-income and minority neighborhoods, sparking debates over the equity of police technology use. I would probably, if it was me, I would place them in the places that had the most gunshots and had the most gunshot-related issues. So I would imagine that probably was the goal of where they placed these at. Call me crazy. Don't know. Cats are fighting. It's mayhem here. But that is what I would do, is place them where the most gunshots happened. And it seems that they've been placed in low-income and minority neighborhoods. I'll have to look into the statistics for that so I can give you a little bit more information on how accurately these were placed and if they truly are not inclusive and equitably placed. That's a good way to put it. Leaked congressional messages spark controversy. Wired, this website is so cool, obtained 15 years worth of messages from the U.S. Congress's internal system, revealing concerns about Russian military research on space-based weapons. The leak, purportedly an attempt to stall privacy reforms, has stirred debate within the House Intelligence Committee. Law enforcement disrupts Lockbit ransomware gang. A coalition of law enforcement agencies, led by the UK's National Crime Agency, dismantled the Lockbit ransomware gang's infrastructure, dark site web, and their attack code. This action comes amid rising ransomware attacks, with a cyber official noting changes in defense strategies post-colonial pipeline breach. Leaked documents expose Chinese hacking firm. Documents from a Chinese hacking for hire firm, iSoon is the name of it, surfaced online, shedding light on China's state-backed hacking operations. The leaked data, now removed, provided insights into hacking operations, victims lists, and daily operations of iSoon staff. Avast has been fined for selling browsing data. Antivirus firm Avast was fined $16.5 million by the FTC for collecting and selling users' browsing data through browser extensions and security software. The FTC's order mandates Avast to cease data sales and implement privacy measures. Scammers send fake iPhones to Apple. 2 individuals were convicted of mail fraud for sending 5,000 counterfeit iPhones to Apple, aiming to receive genuine devices in return. The scheme, spanning from May 2017 to September 2019, aimed to deceive Apple stores with fake serial and IMEI numbers. Clever, I guess, but you got caught, which 99.9% of them always do. Fingerprints have been cloned from phone screen sounds. They just never give up. There's always something new. Security researchers developed a side-channel attack, Print Listener, capable of reconstructing fingerprints from sounds made by finger swipes on phone screens. This attack, raising concerns over biometric security, highlights potential risks of fingerprint theft in assessing sensitive accounts. So it just dawned on me while I was speaking. So once upon a time, it was your keyboard, and they had a keyboard tracker that would watch your typing. And, when you put in a series of 16 digits, it knew, oh, that's a credit card number. Let's focus on that. And, or if you went to a website, or if you typed in your email address, typically that was the beginning of them getting a password from you, because usually most sites require an email address and then your password. So they had this technology on the keyboard. Well, apparently now this thing reconstructs fingerprints from sounds made by finger swipes on phone screens. And there could be fingerprint theft in accessing sensitive accounts. Well, isn't that just peachy? Just what we wanted to hear today. I hope you all have a great afternoon, and I will see you again soon. Thank you.